Hey everybody, I want to talk about ventilation today. It's a major issue on roofing. They really didn't understand it in the older technology 15, 20 years ago. Nowadays we understand that a house being able to breathe, particularly in the roof area, is not only going to help your roof preserve a longer lifespan for itself, but it's also going to help maintain the temperature in your home a lot better. This house is clearly underventilated. It has 4 box vents. Each one of these can only ventilate, give or take, about 300 square feet of air up here. This is a fairly good sized roof, so we're only ventilating 1,200 feet of air. This roof's probably closer to 2,500 to 2,800 square feet.